Hey folks, so I'm going to try and learn something new today. I have a broken key. My wife admits that she broke it. I have a spare and clearly I could get more cut. But I actually have, I think, all the tools to perform a repair. It's actually sheared off the head. I would have assumed that a key was milled or cast from one piece. But this looks very much like this has been soldered on. So I'm going to attempt to resolder it. I'm going to use some air dry clay. There we go. Two pieces are stuck together. Well, that was interesting. So, I've got enough heat to at least bend the braising rod. But, let's try that again, shall we? Okay, well I think so far we've found out that the melting point of this is a lot lower than the melting point of the braising rod. Let's just give that a quick blast and see what happens. I'm going to let that cool down for a little bit before I poke it, you know, because it still seems to be a little bit on fire. So, in my head, the way that was going to work was that these two bits of metal here were going to get red hot, but not dissolve like that. And then I was going to heat the end of the braising rod and just melt it into the gap like I was soldering. As it happens, whatever the key head is made out of melts at a much lower temperature than the braising rod. Okay, I'll let that cool for a few minutes. Right, I thought that was going to fall straight off, if I'm honest. Is that moving? Yeah. Yeah. Didn't work. Frustrating. Perhaps I should do a 3D print repair instead. Turns out braising not as easy as it looks.